Have you ever tried to synthesize a kick drum and didn't know how to shape the pitch curve? Yeah, that was me for years. Turns out there's actual math behind it that nobody else is talking about. For years, I was shaping the pitch curve by ear, just like everyone else, including big artists. I'd see tutorials saying, place a point here for more punch, or try this for more click, but it was all guesswork. No science, no consistency, just trust your ears and hope for the best. So I started digging deeper. I analyzed dozens of professional kicks with spectrum analyzers, measured their waveforms, looking for patterns. There had to be something consistent about them. I spent months measuring, comparing, testing, and then I saw it. All good kicks had their transition points at similar positions relative to their BPM that split the kick into three parts: the click, the punch, and the body. Not random, but mathematical. So here's what I found. The first point, where your click transitions to punch, sits at the 1/124th mark relative to your BPM. This is your click control. Place it higher, you get more mids, more of that clicky character, while lower gives you less. The second point, where punch becomes body, lives at the 1/256th to 1/228th mark. This controls your final pitch down speed. Higher and later placement means the pitch travels slower to your root note, giving you that hard, boomy character, while lower and earlier makes it travel faster, creating a softer kick. These aren't random values. They're based on how our ears perceive the frequency transitions and how the waveform naturally develops. It's physics meeting psychoacoustics. Think about it. At 1/1024th, you're giving just enough time for the initial transient to establish without overstaying its welcome. At 1/256th to 1/128th, you're at the sweet spot where the mid-frequencies have had time to develop before diving into the lows. Before I knew this, I'd spend forever tweaking points, never quite nailing it. Now, I place my points at these marks and adjust the height to taste. The timing stays constant. It's the height that gives you variation. This is a true statement for the most part. It all depends on the type of kick you're trying to make for any given genre. But this is what separates guessing from science. While everyone else is randomly placing points hoping to find that sweet spot, you know exactly where they go. Every time, in any track. It's like the difference between trying to hit a target blindfolded versus knowing exactly where to aim. Same tools, completely different results based on the way they're used. But here's what's crazy. Even with a perfect pitch curve, your kick can still sound weak if you don't understand frequency balance. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then make sure to subscribe right now. Because in the next video, I'm revealing the 5-frequency formula even big artists don't even know about. And it's the final piece that makes everything click.